Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the world of shapes, patterns, and logical thinking? Welcome to the Geometry Foundation course designed especially for Class 8 students just like you, whether you're aiming for Olympiads, IIT, NEET, or just want to master the basics. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why a football field is shaped the way it is, or how engineers decide the design of bridges and buildings? Geometry is all around us. And in this course, I'll show you how to see the world with new eyes. First up, we tackle quadrilaterals. What makes a square different from a parallelogram? How do architects use these shapes in real life? With clear definitions, hands-on examples, and plenty of practice problems, you'll become a quadrilateral pro in no time. Next, we unlock the secrets of the Pythagorean Theorem. Trust me, this isn't just a formula to memorize, it's a powerful tool you'll use in everything from sports to space missions. Together, we'll break it down, prove it step by step, and apply it to real-world situations. Then, we dive into the areas of two-dimensional figures. Ever needed to paint a wall or lay tiles? Understanding area isn't just about numbers, it's about solving practical problems with confidence. Don't worry if you get stuck. Each section comes with guided examples, self-check questions, and review tests to help you master every concept at your own pace. Plus, I'll give you tips to visualize, analyze, and deduce like a true mathematician. So, are you ready to build a rock-solid foundation in geometry? And maybe even have a little fun along the way? Let's get started.